Do you want to recover data from an unbootable hard drive in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. When a PC becomes unbootable, the biggest concern is the risk of losing all your data. If those files are important, the consequences can be devastating. If you are in such a situation, this video shows you how to recover data from an unbootable hard drive in Windows. Let's get started. Preliminary step. Since your laptop has become unbootable, you need to use a bootable USB flash drive with Windows installation media to enter Windows recovery environment. You can use a third-party tool like Rufus or Microsoft's media creation tool for this purpose. After creating a bootable USB flash drive with Windows installation media, insert it into the USB port of your unbootable PC. Your PC will automatically detect the bootable USB flash drive. If it doesn't, change the boot order in BIOS. Use the BIOS key to enter BIOS. Windows Recovery Environment provides an interface to access your hard drive so you can copy all your important files to an external storage device. There is no need to install Windows. Method 1. Using the command prompt. The first method for recovering data from an unbootable hard drive is to use command prompt. On the Windows installation screen, click Repair and Computer on the bottom left side. Do not click Install now. You will enter Windows Recovery Environment. Now click Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. In the command prompt window, type these commands and hit Enter after typing each command. The commands above will show you all disk partitions with their drive letters. Those without the drive letter do not contain your data. Therefore, you need to focus only on the disk volumes and that have a drive letter. Look at the drive letters and size. The hard disk volumes with sizes in GB contain your data. Note down the drive letters for each such disk volume. Now exit diskpart by typing exit. Now, the next step is to confirm the drive volume that contains your data. For this, you have to use the dir command. Check all the disk volumes. Start with any one volume, let's say C in my case. After that, type the following command and press enter. Dir command in command prompt. The commands above will show you all disk partitions with their drive letters. Those without the drive letter do not contain your data. Therefore, you need to focus only on the disk volumes that have a drive letter. Look at the drive letters and size. The hard disk volumes with sizes in GB contain your data. Note down the drive letter for each such disk volume. Now exit diskpart by typing exit. Now, the next step is to confirm the drive volumes that contains your data. For this, you have to use the dir command. Check all the disk volumes. Start with any one volume, let's say C in my case. Now change the directory to C by using the command. After that, type the following command and press enter. The command lists all files and folders in the directory. To recover your data, use the xcopy command as this. For example, if you want to copy all the files inside the new folder to the external storage device, the command will be this. Copy data using xcopy command. The command will automatically create a folder named backup folder on the removable storage drive G and copy all the files from the new folder to it. The /s/e/h/i/c/y parameters are used with the xcopy command to ensure all the files and subfolders are copied and no files are left behind. Repeat the above process to copy all your data to the external storage device. Method 2. Using UI in Windows Recovery Environment. This method is easier than the one above, but it does not show a progress bar while copying your files. Launch the command prompt in Windows Recovery Environment using the method explained previously. Now, type this command and press enter. This will launch Notepad in Windows Recovery Environment. Go to File, then Open or press the Ctrl+O keys. This will open the File Explorer in the recovery environment. Now, you can easily view and copy your data to the external storage device. Navigate to this PC and then open all the folders one by one. If you do not view all your files, select all files in the files of type drop-down. Now, select all your files, right-click and select copy. After copying all your files, open the external storage device and navigate to the location where you want to paste these copied files. Open the targeted folder, right-click and select paste. Since the progress bar is not showing in Windows Recovery Environment, you have to refresh your screen. After refreshing your screen, you will see how many of your files are copied. Right-click and select refresh. Keep refreshing your screen from time to time until all your files are copied. Repeat the steps to copy all your data to the external storage device. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.